In this video, we're going to learn how to add products to the cart from the details view. So we've already done work of adding products to the cart, but now on our details view or our details page, we need to add similar support. So here we have an add to cart button on our details view for adding that given item to the actual cart. So here's the development process. So the first thing we'll do is we'll add the click handler for the add to cart button on our product details component, and then we'll update our product details component with the given click handler method. And a lot of the functionality will be similar to what we did before, just with a small change or a small twist. So step one of adding a click handler for the add to cart button. So on our product details component.html page, we have a button here, add to cart, and that's the item that we'll see on the screen. And then we'll add this on click event. So we'll actually call the method add to cart when the user clicks on that given button. Now moving ahead to step two of updating our product details component with the click handler method. So this is in our file product details component.ts. So we already have our existing product, and then we'll just have some comments here, meaning that behind the scenes, we do all the code for retrieving the product from the REST API. We've written all that code before, but now we'll simply add this new method here, add to cart, and we simply log the product name and unit price, and that's the product that's defined in this component up top. Then we simply create a cart item based on this, and then we'll call cart service.add to cart, and then we pass in the cart item. So as you can see, a lot of this code is similar to what we did before. Now with the application interaction, the only new code is right here on the product details component where we actually have add to cart and we call a method on the cart service. But there are no changes for steps 1, 3, and 4. So everything over on the right-hand side, that's all the same. We're simply feeding data to the cart service, and the cart service is responsible for publishing the events to all subscribers. So the really nice thing about this is that we can leverage a lot of the work that we did before. We're simply adding on a new piece of code here for simply calling a method on the cart service and adding data to it. Alrighty, so this looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and move into the IDE and let's start writing the code.